Nothing. I wonder what it is.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.
What's up, what's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and I got a problem. I got champagne taste, but only a beer budget. A couple years back, my wife and I agreed to sell our beautiful two-story home and buy this flooded fifth wheel, which we live in till this day. It's been wonderful, we rebuilt it. Put a link right there on the top right-hand corner. We sold the house and bought this fifth wheel so we could pay off this property here. We're absolutely ecstatic about owning a piece of Texas. It is awesome. Then we were rebuilding the boat and we ran into some financial difficulties. We sold her BMW X1 and I got her this beater, a 2010 Nissan Altima. The problem with this is that it has over 200,000 miles now, and it's on its second CVT transmission, which we all know is absolutely atrocious. So let's get into the Dodge Ram. Let's head to Dallas. Let's make my wife's dream come true. We made it to the auction finally. That's a loading zone. I think this is where we need to go. No weapons allowed. Alright, we'll stop here then. Got the stripes out. Trailer's ready. Here she comes. Got stuff hanging up from the bottom. Here she is. I can't believe I got such an awesome deal. It's really rare to get deals like this, especially in this time and age where everybody knows about auctions nowadays. Woo! I think maybe that was a saving grace because it looks so bad. But I know she's gonna be awesome. All right, let's get her loaded. A little bit more, and good. Can we go forward a little bit? Yeah, forward. Good. Beautiful. Awesome. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Here she is. Oh, that white is sparkling. Let's look at the initial damage real quick. Just as I expected. I highly doubt there's frame damage here. These are just extenders here. Yes. Oh yeah, okay. The intercooler, the radiator, and the condenser is toast, but that is all no problem. Let's make sure we got no oil leaks. Nope, looks good. Boys, I am excited. The wife is gonna love this car. She had only two requirements: white exterior and white interior. Well, honey, sorry, you can't have it all. You get a saddle brown upgrade. Got some deployed airbags. All right, we're gonna dig deeper into this thing when we get back into the shop. I'm gonna go ahead and strap it down and head back. It's gonna be a long, long day for me today. All right, finally made it back to the shop. A 9-hour trip turned into 12 because of all of this traffic. Everybody that's moving to Texas, please stop. We are at capacity. Our roads are jam-packed with traffic, and it's not fun. This gasser did okay. I mean, 12.6 miles to the gallon in the last 100 miles. I think I need to start looking for a bro-dozer because this ain't cutting it. It's a fancy grocery getter, just not to tow cars with. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna do much tonight. My butt cheeks really hurt. Here she is one more time. I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, it's nice and pretty today. I went ahead and pulled the battery. I have it charging right now. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing off the trailer. And let's wash it up just a little bit. See if there's any other damage that we got going on the exterior. I also stayed up till about 2 or 3 in the morning checking out parts and prices, and let me tell you, it ain't fun. All right, let's get it off and washed up. Got her inside, got it off the trailer. There was some finagling that we needed to do because it still doesn't start. We had to get another battery and jump it to trick the computer into going into neutral, then finally let it down. The foam cannon did pretty good. I'm gonna link them down below. Go ahead and check it out. I think it's pretty decent. And this paint isn't just white. There's some pearl in it for sure. It looks really good, especially in the sunlight. Right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna attempt to get this thing started and fired up. And yeah, because the insurance company couldn't get it to go, but I think we might figure it out. I think it might be a loose ground or a fuse or something. So I didn't even talk about the car at all. This is a 2019 Mercedes Benz GLC 300, and it comes not fully loaded, but with awesome features. From the auction, there's this company, I'm not sure who they are, but they're saying, hey, we need to recalibrate your sensors, whoever buys this thing. So that's pretty cool. So it has adaptive cruise control. That's pretty darn neat. And I think it has lane assist. It doesn't have the 360 view camera, but here, I think that's the lane assist. That's adaptive cruise. Here, I don't know what kind of navigation is in it, but these seats, I don't know if they're an upgrade either, but I think they are. It does not have a sunroof, which who really uses nowadays anyways. So let's try to get this thing fired up. Tim is putting in the battery that's been charging. And while this is going on, I was working on the truck and I got the ram boxes finally to work. I know it's been a while, but check it out. Finally got the locks. The locksmith was a bit of a pain in the butt. So let's see if this thing starts. Let's check for oil. I don't know if this is the transmission dipstick or the engine. Yeah, this is engine for sure. Yeah, we got oil. Tim, double check that, please. We got oil?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, perfect. That's okay. It's time for oil change. 3,000 miles, barely broken in. All right. So let's go walk around the car while that positive and negative is connected. Everything on the exterior looks good. There's no serious damages that I see. The insurance marked a couple spots, but I'm not going to be worried about them at all. They're not big. This paint actually reminds me of the Ducati paint a little bit. Check that out. Looks pretty cool. All right, we got juice.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Sweet. Oh yeah, also last night I went and I bought a whole bunch of parts. I was pleasantly surprised. I got this steering wheel airbag from Lithuania for 250 bucks. Can you kill that music, please? I got that steering wheel airbag for 250 bucks and the passenger side headlight I found for $250 as well. What's really strange is that for domestics, prices are outrageous, especially for the high-end cars. But for imports, I was definitely surprised that I got some cheap parts. Okay, let's see if this thing fires up. Let's see if this thing has navigation, all that good stuff. Okay, so brake, every single light is on. I think I need to update my scan tool as well to accommodate. Let me turn off this fan. To accommodate this car, which I really don't want to pay for the update. Okay, let's get this thing started. Come on. Nothing. Okay.
Shove it in there.
No, it should be. I don't even think there's a slot for it. SRS malfunction. Everything is on as if I think I might need more juice. Bring me some jumper cables and get that truck connected to it. All right, let's give this another whirl. Got the truck connected, even though that battery is saying that it's charged, but I think it might not have enough juice. Try to back up this seat. This is pretty weird here. Ooh, that's weird. Okay. Oh yeah, check this out. It has this upgraded sound system as well. It's pretty cool. Okay. Fire. Nothing. I wonder what it is. Okay, now I got power. I just found the power button here in the center. Warning, okay. Okay, who cares? Go back. Oh, this little dial is pretty cool. That's not where I'm at. Okay, so it does have 3D map rotation. Okay. So I think this is the upgraded navigation system in here as well. Oh, this is so intuitive. You just take the dial and you just move it forward. Okay, I'm gonna have enough time to play with this later on. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this thing fired up. This is ridiculous. All right, be right back. All right, here we go again. It looks like it's a software issue, not a mechanical issue. I found this crash event stored. Starter does not run. Engine start is blocked because of a crash event. Do you want to reset or unlock this control module? Yes. Okay, we're active. F1, start the power disable. Okay. I suppose we go F1. Okay, establishing communication. The procedure failed. Turn the ignition off and then back on again. Repeat the procedure. Okay, turn off. Who knows, maybe you might have taken it. Hey, we're in business. Yeah, buddy. Check it out, no check engine lights, nothing? How is this possible? I know I'm spewing fluids everywhere. Let's check this thing out real quick. We got power. Yeah, we're not leaking. That's strange. All right, guys, we got power, we got juice, it's going. This is awesome. She's running well, sounds good. I don't want it running too much. This thing is purring like a kitten. Oh, I'm excited. Oh yeah, check this out, I just noticed this. That's a Mercedes coming out of the side view mirror. That's pretty dope. No, that's not even there. Where is it coming from? Is it underneath? Oh well, I'll find it later. All right, so the goal for this car, I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off. The goal for this car, since we're already wrecked in the front, I'm gonna go with the AMG kit for the front bumper. The grille, I already got some things on order. I'm really excited for this. And for everybody that's the nosy type and all they do is come to these videos just to see how much people paid for something, I'm leaving a final clip of how much I paid for this. You could also see that on my Instagram at RebuilderGuy. I showed how much I paid for it with the entire price breakdown with all the fees from the auction, so you guys can check that out. And if you guys see a commenter asking how much I paid for it, give them a nice fat L in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing. I hope you enjoy this series, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.